Hey guys, our lesson today is going to be pretty short. We're talking about possessive nouns. So our I can statement is, I can use possessive nouns. Really simple I can statement there. Hopefully it'll be a simple little lesson, okay? And just to remind you guys, possessive nouns means that you're adding that apostrophe S or an S and then an apostrophe, and it just means that someone owns something or another thing owns something, right? We'll talk about it. It'll be pretty quick. Here we go. Quinn is laughing. Do we want to see?
Oh my goodness.
Quinn! Oh, take it away. Are you so funny? Okay, let's get back to the lesson. All right, so since we're learning about possessive nouns, noun is a person or place or a thing. So I have a person, a place, and a thing on our board, and we're going to talk about how would we make those possessive. So, for example, I'm a teacher, right? And I own a lot of markers. So if I want to talk about my markers, or if you guys want to, you would say, the teacher's markers. I own those markers. They are the teacher's. So you write the word, and because it's just one of me, we're just going to put apostrophe S. Now we know that they are my markers. That apostrophe tells you, oh, she owns those. For book, maybe in a book you're talking about, oh, the book's characters. Those characters belong to that book. You would write book, apostrophe S. This apostrophe tells me, oh, those characters belong to that book. Those aren't multiple books, it's just those characters belong to that book. And Disneyland, maybe you're talking about Disneyland's rides. Those rides belong to Disneyland. You want to put the word Disneyland, apostrophe S, because Disneyland owns those rides, okay? Let's talk about a time where it's more than one person, okay? So let's do that. Okay, so I couldn't really think of a place where there's more than one of it. Like, there's not more than one Disneyland. There's like Disney World, and then there's Disneyland Paris, but there's not more than one Disneyland. So we're just going to do teachers and books. So, if there's more than one teacher, it's called teachers. But that doesn't mean anyone owns something, it's just more than one teacher. But if those teachers all own something together, so maybe there's a table that all those teachers own, and you're wanting to talk about the teachers' table, if you want to include all of those teachers, you would say teachers, and we wouldn't add another apostrophe S, we wouldn't go teachersers, it would just be apostrophe. We don't add another apostrophe S, just one apostrophe. Same for books. So maybe you're talking about all of the Harry Potter books. If you want to talk about all of the Harry Potter books and all of their characters, maybe you would say, oh, those books' characters, like those books' characters, it's their characters, you would just add an apostrophe, not another apostrophe S. So, just to wrap up, let me tell you. Okay, so just to wrap up, if there's a single noun and you're making it possessive, it's apostrophe S. If there's multiple nouns, so multiple teachers, not just one, multiple books, not just one, then it's just apostrophe, because it would look silly to have another S after the S that's already there, right? All right, that was quick, that was short. Go on and do the worksheet and you'll be done.